What's up guys, everything in one, back again with another video. So this is the new OPPO X 2021 concept rollable device. This is just a concept device and specs are not a question here. The phone comes with a 6.7-inch OLED screen which turns into a 7.4-inch tablet when you completely unfold the device. The best part is that you can freely adjust the screen size according to your needs, and you can change it to 7-inch or 7.1-inch better, which suits you. It uses two motors to control the retractable screen, which continuously apply a constant force during operation so that the screen can maintain a uniform force when it is pulled. So it can avoid damage caused by sudden impact. On the left side of the phone there is a pulley reel with diameter of 6.8 mm for smooth folding process. The inside of the panel is composed of two pallets, which is built like a pair of hair combs facing each other. When the device remains in a folded state, the two combs fit together to form a relatively complete supporting surface. When switching to the tablet mode, the comb will be pulled apart with the screen. In this state, the two parts are each responsible for supporting the left and the right parts of the complete panel. To protect the sliding mechanism from the back, OPPO has adopted a dynamic frame consisting of an outer fixed frame and a sliding frame within. So what are your opinions about this new innovative concept rollable phone? Let me know in comment section below. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have liked the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel if you haven't already, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.